We're traveling cheap and taking a $10 train ride from Bangkok to Vientiane, Laos. Our $10 ticket includes third class seating on an overnight train from Bangkok. We didn't know it, but they actually do sell food on the train, period. More on that later, but right now, let's dive in. See you later. Give an update of how the ride's going in the middle. So, this is what we're having for lunch, and it is a 12-hour train ride. So we walked around and found some food stalls and some snack stalls. So we're gonna grab some snacks before we actually take off. Our luggage is in a locker, and the ticket was only $10 for the train ride to Laos. So we're gonna plan to take the train from Vientiane to Luang Prabang also. So if you're looking to travel on the cheap, this is how you do it. North track. That's pretty cool. For a food court, this has some pretty awesome selections. So we're gonna actually try our hands on some. They do have bathrooms here. The seats are older, and they're not individual seats; they're bench seats, unlike second class and first class. All right, let's see when we ride. So there's food vendors or food sellers that get on and off at each station that we stop off at. There's about 13 stops along the way. Then all the passengers have boarded. It seems like we'll slow down. So the car is not too full. I wonder if they check our tickets.